In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in the Squarespace app. This is a straightforward process, but we'll walk through each detail to ensure there are no hiccups along the way. Whether you're adding a striking new image to your website or refreshing an existing page with new visuals, knowing how to do this efficiently can make a big difference in how your site looks and feels. Let's jump into it. First, you'll need to navigate to your Squarespace website editor. If you're not familiar with where to find this, it's typically in the configuration section of your website's dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, as it allows you to modify and personalize every aspect of your site's design. Once you're in the editor, look for the option labeled Add Block. This is your gateway to adding new elements to your site, including images, text, and other media. By clicking here, you'll be presented with a variety of content blocks you can add, but we want to specifically focus on the image option. Now, go ahead and click on Image. This will open up a new section where you can start editing the block to fit your site's needs. At this point, you'll see a placeholder image or a blank area where your image will be displayed. Click on Edit to begin customizing this block further and to access the functionality for adding your image. Next, focus your attention on the option to Add an Image. Clicking here will allow you to select an image from your files or library. You can also choose from images you've previously uploaded, keeping everything organized and accessible right within Squarespace. If you don't already have the image uploaded, just go ahead and click on Upload File. This will prompt you to navigate through your device's File Explorer and select the image you wish to upload. Once your image is uploaded, you'll want to make sure it fits seamlessly into your design. Head over to the Design section, where you have a multitude of options to adjust the layout, resize, or even add effects to your image to enhance its appeal. Take some time to explore these options and find a configuration that complements your site's theme and purpose. Finally, after you've made all your adjustments and are happy with how everything looks, it's time to save your changes. You'll want to find the Save button, which finalizes your adjustments, ensuring everything is stored correctly and displayed properly on your live site. By following these steps, you should now have successfully added an image to your Squarespace site. Remember, consistent visual updates can make a significant impact on your site's engagement and visitor retention. So don't hesitate to explore and implement fresh visuals as you see fit. Thanks for watching and happy designing!